Hassan Omar amevunja kimya chake kuhusu uchaguzi uliofanyika jana katika eneo bunge la Ol Kalou, akimpongeza Sami Kamau kwa ushindi wake na kusema kuwa kama UDA wataendelea mbele na iwapo kutakuwa na uchaguzi mwingine watatoa mgombea. Aidha, amesisitiza kuwa mitungi ya gesi iliyotolewa kwa wenyeji wa Ol Kalou haitachukuliwa tena.
Lakini ile kiti ilikuwa ni ya Jubilee. Jubilee imepata kura 200. Na Uhuru Kenyatta alitoa support yake yote. So Jubilee lost heavily a seat they were holding. Almost had no chance of defending it. UDA had a chance of recouping it. Sisi as UDA, we will either not zone out or leave out or exclude anyone from our politics, and we will not zone out or leave out any part of this country to our competitors. So hata if the results were even worse, if there was another one again tomorrow, we'll do it again. So what you bring, you go there, you tell us there's another election anywhere else in the region, in Mount Kenya West, we will still go there again. We'll do it again and again. We'll not run away.
For the next election cycle, which is the general elections next year in August. But to caution again, as I end, the systematic attack on security agencies and other institutions of this country regarding Gachagua is callous, shows an insecure leader, a leader preparing the country for a crisis, a leader driven by insecurity, harboring in their own imagination of his own shadows of righteousness, that he thinks everybody is positioned against him, be it the security agencies, be it IBC, be it anyone. Riggy G can call any name. He profiles all communities that do not agree with him. Hizo gas kwani kuna mtu niliona mbunge mmoja aliandika zirudishwe. Mimi nawaambia zikae huko. Na nataka kuashua hazitoripuka. Ziko sawa sawa. On a lighter note,